All right, everybody, we're in Washington, D.C., and we are in the bowels of an AIA building trying to find a place to do this interview with my friend Peter Cooperman from Black Buffalo. What's up, Peter?
How's it going, Dave? Great to see you.
I know, we're running into each other in all these different places. So, Peter, we're here at the Innovative Housing Showcase and with the ICC and with HUD and so many others that are putting on these events and all these sessions. You were on a panel. Why don't you tell them a little bit about what that panel was real quick?
Yeah, so Black Buffalo was invited down to just talk about our accomplishment as becoming the first company in the world to meet the ICC criteria for printing load-bearing structural walls. So they wanted us to come talk about the process, educate people on the advancements of 3D construction in general, and, you know, just kind of meet and greet. We have a much easier job than you because I get to talk to you once and then go out to the restaurants.
Right? Yeah. So you're the first company that's able to structurally print 3D houses or buildings under the ICC's regulations.
Exactly. And
That's
because we sell our equipment and we train people how to use it, it's not only our team that can go out and do it, but if someone's interested in incorporating 3D construction into one of their traditional projects or converting completely to 3D, we have the technology that lets them do that. And we have the ICC approval recognized in over 55 countries so they can expand.
You know, the interesting thing about this whole event that we're seeing more and more of, and I want your opinion on this, you know, the International Code Council, HUD, have really come together to truly make a difference and look at how they can support offsite construction, whether it's 3D printing, modular, panelization, mass timber, doesn't matter. Are you feeling that being on the other side of, you know, outside of their organizations and somebody that needs these codes and regulations?
Yeah, and I think what's important, a lot of the push this year is on offsite construction. We do a lot on-site primarily. But it's great to see the progress of the industry as a whole because the construction industry is slow moving because they're used to the traditional way of doing things. And by being involved and staying in touch with ICC and HUD and all different government agencies, it shows that people are ready to adopt a new way of doing things. And, you know, we're happy to be here. We shared a panel with people from the SIP industry. There's a lot of modular homes out there. And I see a lot of overlap, you know. There's so much need not only for housing, but industrial, commercial, military applications that you're going to need a couple different methods to be able to meet the demand. And, you know, we, of course, feel that 3D construction is the best way, but we're here to have a good discussion and debate and just keep the industry moving forward.
The Pentagon might think it's a good idea too. Didn't you just he's on a panel, he gets off a panel, looks at his phone, and the Pentagon's invited him to come talk to him. Not sure what that's about, but he said, I can't come.
You know, DC anytime, and not Dave Cooper, Washington, DC. Anytime we come down to DC, there's always tons of opportunities here. It is great to see even government agencies really interested in not just residential, but other applications for 3D construction. And if we can do anything to spread our technology to help keep the military safe and, you know, provide housing and do commercial industrial projects at the same time, we're all for it.
How do people do business with Black Buffalo, right? You have the printers, you like to partner with people, right? You want people to not only use your printers, but buy them so they can step and repeat. You guys do all the training. Who is the perfect client for you and who should reach out to you?
I mean, there's so many industries now that are interested. What we're really looking for, if we're going to take on any kind of pilot projects or even interviewing people to sell printers to so that we know that the cost and the efficiency balance makes sense, we want stuff that's over 10 houses, 10 units in a row. Commercial buildings, it could be one commercial building, but we're looking at a bigger footprint. We want to really prove out the efficiency, the strength, and the resilience of what we're able to print out now that we have the structural approval. And really, you know, it could be a creative shape or it could be a big development. I'd say reach out to us. The website is bb3d.io. There's a contact form on there. You can put a lot of information in. If you want, just email us at questions@bb3d.io. And someone will get back to you and we'll help you vet, you know, how we can make 3D fit in your project.
And you're a global organization, so it's not just here for the United States. Your original headquarters was out of South Korea, which hopefully I'll be there in a couple of months and we'll do a walkthrough. So no matter where you're at in the world, you know, you can reach out to Peter Cooperman and his team. Peter, on this event here, is it worth it? Outside of the invite to the Pentagon, is it worth coming to this event? And if people are sitting at home, what would you tell them?
I think it's a great event to come out and educate yourself on what's going on with the building industry. And it's great for me just sitting around in a logo t-shirt. just drinking coffee, I had a bunch of people walk up to me, and we have a lot of opportunities just coming here. All the people that are interested in doing a better approach to building are here to learn. And it's a great opportunity for companies and consumers alike.
Yeah, and you are here in DC with all the head politicians, the policymakers. Yep. They're all here, and they're at this event coming and going all day long. So, Peter,
thank you very much.
Always pleasure running into you. Everybody else, hey, listen, if you're not here, you're wrong. We're in Washington, D.C., and we are here at the Innovative Housing Showcase with the International Code Council and HUD. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.